This affiliate marketing tutorial that I'll share with you in today's video is beginner friendly and worldwide available. In order to get every step right, you just need to follow me till the end of this video. Before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, I'm going to begin right away with this video. Whenever you start affiliate marketing, you need to bear in mind some steps. First of all, you need to find an affiliate network, then a product that you want to promote, and then the traffic source. So I'm going, of course, to mention all of these steps today so you can see exactly how you can do that. The first step is to find the affiliate network, and I suggest that you use this one called Digistore24. This is over at Digistore24.com, and I suggest this one since it is available worldwide and anyone can start. So just go over to the register now button in the upper right corner, and after that you just need to create an account for free by signing up as an affiliate. You need to put a username, email address, password, and also some other information as well, which are very basic. Don't worry about that. Once you create your account, it's going to look like this. You need to go over to the marketplace, and it's going to just show you all of the digital products, and they are categorized, of course, by categories as well. You can choose the one that you like the most, from animals and pets, betting system, dance and music, computer and internet, education, family and kids, fitness and health, and so on. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going with the fitness and health category, and of course it's going to show you a lot of products, and for each of these products you can get your affiliate link. So you just need to click on the promote now button, and it's going to give you immediately your affiliate link, and also you're going to notice the commission and the amount that you can make. So you can see over here that this one is the first actually here by sale. You're going to notice that this the number one is sales rank. You can even go over to sort by and select sales rank to see the one that are selling the most. So I recommend that you go for this one, which is the ultimate keto plan. So you can just copy this promo link as it says, which is your affiliate link, and of course you need to find traffic to this link in order to be able to find people that will be interested in clicking on that link, purchasing something from it, and of course you're going to earn your commission, which is in this case 24 euros, but of course you can even select the currency that you want, and you can see that it means like $25. So of course I'm going to show you what you need to do next, and the next step actually is to go over to this platform, which is called Pexels.com. So Pexel is the best free stock photos and royalty free images and videos platform that here are shared by creators, and of course you can find a lot of high quality content. And I want you to just search for the fitness niche or weight loss niche, so it depends on what niche you choose that product in, and after that it's going to give you a lot of results, photos, videos, and I highly recommend that you go for videos since they look pretty awesome actually and are more unique, and in my opinion it's going to attract more people. So you can just see all of them, and the best part about this is that you can just click on the arrow, and it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer with one click of a button. So by clicking on this arrow, once again it's going to be on your computer immediately. So what you need to do is to proceed to the next step, which is to come over to this platform called Imgur or Imgur. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, and it's over at imgur.com. You're going to see over here that there are a lot of people posting different content, just like GIFs, videos, memes, also pictures. So you're going to notice that they post in different categories as well, the entertaining one, also informative one, and so on. So you're going to even post your own content over here, but first of all you need to create an account for absolutely free by clicking in the sign up button in the upper right corner. Then you're going to just go over to the new post button, and you're going to just select choose photo / video, and you're going to upload that video that we got from Pexels.com before, and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to give it a title and a description, and you can say, for example, in the title, do you want to lose weight fast, since the product that you are promoting is in the weight loss niche. And then here on the description you're going to write click here for more information. So of course what you can do is to put your affiliate link in it, but before that I want to mention another step. It is optional, but I highly recommend you do it since it's going to make it look more like professional. So just go over to bit.ly.com, and what you can do here is to just shorten your affiliate link. You're going to paste it over to this box and click on the shorten button. Then it's going to give you your bit.ly shorten link. You can copy it, and as you can see, your previous affiliate link contained the name of the website that you got it before, so it's going to make it obvious for people that you are promoting something. That's why I recommend that you use just bit.ly.com. Once you do that, you can proceed over to Imgur once again and just paste your bit.ly link over here. So as you can see, it looks more professional right now with a high quality video. And the next step is to just add some tags. Here on the text you're going to add, so of course related to the content that you are uploading. So you can just write weight loss, also fitness, lose weight. So it's going to give you also some recommendations, so I highly recommend that you put them too. And with this step you're going to attract people that are interested in the weight loss niche content. And of course after that you're going to post it, and you need to post it public, not hidden, just like I have it right now. But you're going to notice it once you post it, that you can even post it as public for all of the people to see it. And I want to mention something, that this platform, according to similarweb.com, which gives some website statistics, has been visited by 182 millions of visitors this month. So there are millions of people that are engaging in that platform, which means more of potential customers that you can find here. And it's pretty awesome actually, because as you're going to notice, all of this content over here got like a lot of views, just like 18,000 of views, even more than 400,000 and so on, which means that you can reach a lot of people, just like these people are doing even more than 1 million of people, and 2 millions of people are watching this content here on Imgur. So it has a lot of potential. And what you can do actually is to even go over to this other platform, which is an alternative, and it's called tumblr.com. And I know that most of you know about this platform, and I highly recommend that you create an account here and post the same content just like on imgur.com. So you're going to just put the right tags. Also you're going to just put like your affiliate link, a title, description, and so on, and you're going to put that content that we got from pexels.com even before. And what I want to mention is that even tumblr.com has a lot of visitors. You're going to notice over here that they got more than 232 millions of visitors, which is a lot actually. And the next thing I want to mention is that the people that are visiting this platform are from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. So it means that they are from top tier countries, which is pretty awesome. Actually going to target the right people. And of course you're going to just be able to get a lot of clicks in your link with this strategy, and then these people can go over there to just purchase that product from your link, and you're going to earn your own commission. And I want to mention that this also depends on you, on how much time and effort you want to put on this to get the desired results. And you can even try some other strategies as well. This was the free one. You can even pay for ads and so on, but I wanted to show you as a beginner how you can do this with the free traffic. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Adrian and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.